Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside of My Hero Academia Season 4 Part 2 on Blu-ray. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slip cover off and get a little more of the same. And then there's the back again. Then when you open it up, you get, oops, disc is loose. Disc 1 with Blu-ray 1, I should say, with 77 through 84. Blu-ray 2 with 85 to 88. And then you get DVD with 77 to 82. And then DVD 2 with episodes 83 to 88. Then you take this out, and you get that artwork. And then you move here, and you take this out, and you get that artwork. And then for first come, first serve, whoever wants it, digital download code. If it'll focus. Come on now. There you go. So this has been My Hero Academia Season 4 Part 2 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.